Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to draw the graph of exponential function and using graph how to find the domain and range. Exponential function y equal to f of x equal to a power x, where a is greater than 0 and a lies between 0 to 1. I will explain two different curves, but instead of a, if I take 2, so to understand the graph of exponential function, if you take a equal to 2, you will easily understand the concept. So first I will take x equal to 2, a equal to 2, y equal to 2 power x. When x equal to 0, it is 2 power 0, 1. When x equal to 1, it is 2. When x equal to 2, it is 4. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to 2 power minus 1, 1 by 2, 0.5. Okay, when x equal to minus 2, 2 power minus 2, 1 by 4, 0 point, 0 point what? Yes, 0 point, so 0 point minus 2, it is 0.25. I will explain this in detail. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 4. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 0.5. Here, y equal to minus 0.5. When x equal to minus 2, y equal to here. So, it goes on increasing. So, this is a graph of exponential function. If you take x equal to y equal to 3 power x, y equal to 5 power x, y equal to whatever it is, you can't take 1 because a is greater than 1. Okay. And also one more graph is there, a lies between 0 and 1. I will explain later. Now we will discuss the graph when a is greater than 1. For that I am taking x a equal to 2. So the graph of this function, what is the domain? Is there any restriction for x? Here any restriction for x, you can substitute any real number, positive, negative, 0, and hence the domain is R. Range, look at the graph, the curve exists above x axis. So there is no, it never touches the x axis. So greater than 0, y is greater than 0 to infinity, open interval 0 to infinity, open interval 0 to infinity. And one more very important tips, all the exponential function always passing through 0 comma 1. Reason is when x equal to 0, a power 0 is 1. Okay, a power 0 is 1, and that is the reason for it is passing through 0 comma 1. And one more special name for this exponential function is called a positive value function. Reason is whatever the input, whether it is positive or negative or 0, the output is always greater than 0, strictly greater than 0. That is the reason for it never touches y axis, it is above y axis. Look at the graph. So here this is a greater than 1, this graph is a greater than 1, and it never touches. Whenever x is decreases, y is very close to, that curve is very close to x axis, it never touches, it touches only at infinity. Similarly, one more curve is there, when this for this curve is there, it lies in first and second quadrant. And very important, both the curves above x axis and domain domain and range both are same. Only the difference is when a is greater than 1, it is left, that is from left to right it is increasing. When a is greater than 0 less than 1, it is decreasing curve. Okay, but both are positive value function. Okay, so very important for competitive exams as well as board exam, and this function is more important in all the chapters of calculus. Thank you. Hello CBSE 11th and 12th students, are you looking for maths, physics, chemistry, online and offline tuitions? Marvel classes by Akilan Institute provide both offline and online tuitions and with separate Marvel experts, and we have best study material, regular test with doubt clarification class. Also we have excellent support through Marvel digital courses. It is not like ordinary one-way communication online classes, it is two-way communication. You can interact with teachers on the class itself. And what is the one big advantage of Marvel? We will focus other subjects also. Last 3 months we will provide coaching support for biology, computer science, English to get more marks in your board total. So this is a proof of that coaching. And one more advantage, join before 30th of this month and get flat 30% concession and complete digital courses through Marvel classes. If you want to attend free live classes, call 7092008008 or 7092005005. So you can attend 1 week free trial class. After that you can decide. Thank you.